Nakia, and with divine elements of design in the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. You can also visit and join my free 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home email course. The link will be in the description box below. So on this video, you are going to actually help me or watch me organize my upstairs linen closet. Now, full disclaimer, this is a linen closet which is upstairs. It is only used by my adult children. So I rarely even look in this linen closet. In fact, I've only looked in it once in the past like 4 years, and that was a couple days ago. So when I looked at it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's a nightmare. Now, it could have been a lot, or it can be a lot worse. It's not as bad, you know, considering boys use this linen closet. But I thought, you know, instead of it looking like this, which is their linen closet upstairs, I wanted to look a little bit like this, which is the linen closet, which is downstairs. So let's go ahead and look at the linen closet, how it is now. We're going to take everything out. We're going to wipe down, vacuum the linen closet, and then we're going to determine what needs to go in. So this is the finished piece. The first shelf, I put the iron, beach towels, and then now I have soaps, sanitizers, my bath cloths and bath towels, toilet paper and paper towels. There is the ironing board, like I mentioned before. It's just kind of on the wall. I could hang it, but I'm not going to do anything with it right now. But this is it. I'm so satisfied everything was able to be picked up off the ground. I'm loving the final project. So if you're interested in the labels that are on the baskets, I will leave a link to it in the description box below. I actually purchased them from Amazon and they were so super easy to use. I love them. Like I mentioned before, the baskets came from Aldi, but I found a similar set on Amazon, so I will link that as well. And if you are following my Amazon shop, I have a whole list of laundry room essentials. So thank you very much for watching this video. I would love any suggestions or comments you may have, so please leave them in the comment section below. And if you wouldn't mind, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.